Preposition of place with examples. In. Examples: the baby is sleeping in her room. I will wait for you in the car. On. Examples: there's a beautiful bag on the desk. Please hang the painting on the wall behind the sofa. Under. Examples: there are no monsters under the bed, Johnny. There are a lot of boxes under my bed. Above. Examples: the birds were flying above the clouds. I heard a strange noise coming from the room above. Over. Examples: Mom kept the umbrella over our heads. Her mother put a blanket over her. Near. Examples: the parking lot is near the shopping center. If you swim near the bottom, you can see the coral reefs. Far. Examples: the hospital is far from my house. The man didn't say how far it was to the next town. Next to. Examples: the umbrella is next to that chair. There's a market next to my house. Behind. Examples: the sun hid behind the clouds. The elementary school is behind the bank. In front of. Examples: the car was parked in front of my house. I get so nervous in front of the camera. Between. Examples: there's an ATM between the bank and the bakery. I used to sit between Alex and Emily in the class. By. Examples: they're standing by the car. She loves to sit by the window. Up. Examples: the waterfall is up the hill. Alex is up the stairs. Down. Examples: there's a lake down the hill. We heard the sound of laughter down below. Outside. Examples: the fans were waiting outside the cinema. I want to sit outside and get some fresh air. Inside. Examples: the jewels were locked away inside the safe. Her car was locked and the keys were inside. Among. Examples: There's a blue book among the red ones. The girl quickly disappeared among the crowd. Through. Examples: you should go through the tunnel. She smiled at him as he walked through the door. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.